chicken and broccoli stir fry. Yeah, I love it. It's really good. But this one, it's not greedy. This one is an anti-inflammatory version. So it's good on your stomach and it's a little better. It's not bad, okay? So hit it. Let's get to the cooking. Where's my knife? So hold on. I gotta go search for it. I'll be right back. Rice. You could add two, or you could just leave it out. It's up to you. Wasn't that so delicious? Oh, I'm so full. That was so good. Yeah. Well, thank you for stopping by on my first episode of Quacky, Quicky, Cuisine. Yeah. Hope you guys try the recipe. Let me know below what you think in the comments. Is it good? Did you like it? Was it easy? And just let me know if it's good. Okay?